Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco Sport in a base trim powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and with four-wheel drive capability, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back, where you have your cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, and on either side you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, 12-volt power outlet, and on the other side you have the power button for your cargo lights that can be articulated to shine where you need them. And then underneath the cargo floor you have your spare with some extra room for other equipment. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3, as well as having a USB and USB-C down there. Looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can look at your digital speedometer, driver assistance features and settings, your now playing, phone controls, and further information about your vehicle. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stalk. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls, auto start, stop, shut off, and hazards. You have this little tray area, and then your climate controls, pretty simple, easy to use, does have AC. And then below that you have this tray area with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something into power or charge. Then you've got your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, easy to use, 2 cup holders, parking brake, brake hold, and goat mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you've got your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.